The 2007 X5. The BMW X5 is an award-winning performance, space, and efficiency vehicle. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, climate control, premium sound system, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, CD player, power door locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.